taxes, they're important for an online store. In the dashboard, go to Settings. Here we have a lot of tabs. First up is General. This is where you can enable taxes. Now, you will get this taxes option only if you have enabled taxes in the tax settings tab. If your product prices already include taxes, select this inclusive option. If not, choose exclusive. In the US, it's common to show prices excluding taxes. Next, set this to customer's shipping address because that's usually where they want the products to be delivered, so the tax can be calculated based on the address. The billing address is mostly used for payments and may not be the actual delivery location. If you want to show product prices with or without tax on the shop page, set that here. Most stores shows prices excluding tax and then add it in checkout. Next, display prices during cart and checkout. Same thing, show prices with or without tax during the checkout process. Choose include tax so customers can see the full price upfront during checkout. Price display suffix. You can add a small note like include tax or exclude tax next to the product price. Just type it here and it will appear right beside the price. Display tax total. Choose if you want to show tax as a single total or per item during checkout. For most simple stores, keeping it as a single total is fine. Here we have text options. First is the standard rate tab. This is where you set your regular tax rules. Let's say you're selling electronics in California and sale tax is 10%. Enter the two-letter country code like US. Select from here. State, postcode, city. Leave blank to apply tax across all the country, or fill in CA to apply only in California. Type in your text rate like 10 for 10%. In the text name, you can name it something like sales tax. Keep the priority at 1 unless you're adding more than one tax for the same region. Compound tax used when one tax is applied on top of other, like federal tax charged after state tax. Most stores don't need this, so you can leave it off. Enable shipping if the tax also applies to shipping charges. Then click Save Changes. You can add as many taxes like this for other countries, regions, and if you want to delete any, select that row and click on this Remove Selected Row. Now, let's head over to the Reduce tab. Now, let's imagine in California, books are often taxed at a reduced rate like 5%, and we cannot charge the standard 10% tax. So, at the same region, US, state California, but here we're going to set the tax rate to 5. Now, if you're selling book products, just set your tax rate to reduced rate. And if you're selling something completely tax-free like donations or medical supplies, go to zero rate rates. Here create a 0% tax for the same region and assign the zero rate tax class to those products. That way, no tax will be applied at the checkout. So that's how tax works. If you want to learn more about WooCommerce setup in detail, then check our complete tutorial link in the description box.